These are the Touche Eclat and Radiance Awakening. You know what? Let's go back. I do not want to do this. So the Touche Eclat Le Tente. These are the YSL Touche Eclat Le Tente. Okay, hold on, wait.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. And today I'm just bringing y'all a quick little haul because I got some stuff. I got some new makeup and you know, some of them are just some repurchases. Well, I think actually one of them, yeah, one of them. And you know, I just want y'all to see what I got, so I'm just gonna do this little haul for y'all. And if you would like to see what I purchased, just keep on watching. We just want to start. I got, y'all not gonna believe this, I got 5 foundations. 2 of them I have to mix, so they're of the same brand. I just gotta mix them. But yeah, so the first thing I'm going to mention is this beauty blender. I don't know if y'all saw this one, but it just came out. It's the new Sapphire Beauty Blender and I'm in love with it. It matched my nails, if I could tell. But y'all know my favorite color is blue, or y'all probably didn't know, but now you know my favorite color is blue. I love the color blue. Like, look at this, it's just so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is just such a beautiful color, so I had to get it. I love the beauty blender and I'm obsessed with them, so I had to get this one. So that's what I got. The first foundation I got is my NARS Velvet Matte Skin Stick. Y'all know I just raved about this in my previous favorites video. I will link that in the description box. I love this stuff. I'm in the shade medium dark 5, so I done raved about this enough. Y'all know how I feel about this if y'all watched my favorites video. I love this and I completely ran out of it, and it just got to the point to where I was just scraping out the tube with a brush, so I just had to re-up on this. So these next 2 foundations that I have, they are both from YSL. So I got the YSL Touche Eclat Radiance Awakening Foundation, and I got the shade B70 and B80. One is called Mocha and one is called Chocolate. So this is just how they look. The 70 is too light and the 80 is too dark, so I have to mix. I don't know if y'all remember my following Jackie Aina tutorial. So basically she used a different YSL foundation. I had used this, but I didn't know that when I had asked the lady for the samples. It turns out that it was actually the Radiance one. I think the one she got was more matte, and this is the Radiance one, but I don't care because y'all know I love a good like radiance to my skin anyway. So this is the one I got, and I went and got them. Now this I got because these cost, I think alone they're either 60, I think they're either 60 or 70, I don't know. So I got one last week and one this week, so I had to do that because there's no way I was chunking out that money for some foundation, 2 of them. So I got one last week and one this week. So let me just show y'all how they look. So this next foundation that I got is the Tom Ford Traceless Perfecting Foundation, and it does have SPF 15 in it, and I got this in the shade 10 Chestnut. This, I have been testing this out for like a month now. I just started off getting samples and I've just been wearing it for like a month now, and I just love how it feels on my skin. It looks like skin, like it's such a natural finish to me. And this is also buildable, and that's why I decided to go ahead and get it, just because if I'm gonna buy something this high, it has to be worth it, and I'm gonna do a lot of testing. That's why I made sure I like this stuff. Like, I used it for a month before I bought it, because I really needed to make sure that I liked it. Like, I'm just not gonna like get this high foundation and not even know if it's gonna work and how it's gonna look on my skin, or if I'm gonna break out from it. All of that I needed to know before I bought this, and I fell in love with it. And after the first day, I even wanted to get it, but I didn't want to do that to myself. I just wanted to make sure that it would be a good investment. This last foundation is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I got the number 13 Chestnut. I got this because I'm doing a full face using Milani products soon. So I decided to include the items in this video as well. Anytime I do a haul, y'all know, like a full face kind of first impressions is coming after that. I don't even know if this is my shade, and I don't know if this is the darkest shade, but it was the darkest shade inside of Walmart. You know, certain stores, they don't carry like all shades, but I'm pretty sure this is the darkest shade. And I don't even know if it's gonna match me. I feel like it's a little too light, but we'll see in the first impressions. Okay, so like I said, everything after that foundation are all Milani products, so I'm not gonna really keep, oh, this is the Milani, this is, no, y'all gonna know everything is now Milani. Oh, except this is some Kiss false lashes glue that I needed. So I got this Milani, there I go, this eyeshadow palette. It says Earthy Elements. I don't know if that's like the name of it, because they had like 3 of them there, 3 different times. I don't know, but yeah, I got this one. It's really pretty. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I didn't really take anything out of the packaging yet, so because I think I just got all of these Milani products I just got yesterday. So the next thing I got is the translucent powder. This is medium to deep, number 2. It says it absorbs oils, mattifies. Absorbs oils and mattifies. I don't know why I said that like I had more to say. But it's just a loose powder. It's really tiny. It don't look like a lot coming in it either. So we'll see. The next thing I got is this baked blush. It's called Luminoso. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if that's the real name, and it says number 5. So yeah, and it just looks like this. It's like a peach shade. It's really pretty, and I really think it's gonna be too light for me now that I'm really looking at it. Then the next thing I got is the Instant Glow powder in the shade Sun Glow number 3. It's a highlighter, of course. And dang, can I get it? There we go. This is pretty. This is so pretty. It's really pretty. They had a darker one, shade number 4, but they didn't have it in stock. So I just got shade number 3. So I hope this works out. Hopefully, I really hope this is not a disappointment. The next thing I got is this baked bronzer. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that's Black Radiance. Never mind. I was about to get so mad because I thought I had an actual kit from them already, but it's Black Radiance. So this bronzer, they didn't really have none for me to contour with. That's why I got this. And I don't know if it's really going to bronze me. I don't know, maybe it'll add a little something like after I do like my concealer and everything. But yeah, I don't know. So then the next thing I got was concealer, and this is Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. Says it conceals dark circles, covers spots, blemishes, and imperfections, and it brightens the skin. Okay, so we'll see how that go. We'll see. And it's in the shade number 5 Honey. And then the very last product I got is Big and Bigger Lashes Maximum Volume Mascara. Okay, and it is huge. This is like a big old tube. I never ever seen a tube this big. Well, I've never had one. I don't understand it. Okay. I don't know, but okay. And that was the last product. So y'all know we usually come after these videos. It's usually a full face first impressions. So look forward to that. Yeah. That was the last product. So I hope y'all enjoyed this haul, and you know, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Check out my previous videos that I have put up. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.